Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. So I want to do a quick unboxing for you guys for this thing right here. This is the J3 Cub, and we have information right here. The length is 525 millimeters. The wingspan is 680 millimeters. The weight is 200 grams, so underneath the limit. Flight time 8 minutes, they say. Although it says Cool Bank on here, this thing is actually made by the same company that made the J20 and the SR72 FX. So let's get this thing open. I think I opened this side over here. Slide it out. We got the instructions manual and some stickers are in here. Decals. Looks like letters there, so you have a choice of letters and these little stars, whatnot. There is some assembly required with this model. The FX 9703. So I'm hoping that, and this is the company I was talking about, Feijong. I'm hoping that this thing is multi-protocol compatible, although it is ready to fly. Let's pull out the transmitter. If I can get this thing out with one hand. Let's see. Maybe not. Okay, so this is the transmitter. Have a 2-position switch right here. It has a D up top and an R at the bottom. I don't know what that means. And here we have a 3-position switch. But let's sit this to the side. Get to this. So we're gonna pull out the landing gear. Nice landing gear. Got the springs loaded in there. Let's sit that to the side. I was really fascinated by this thing having a clear canopy all the way around. I was thinking that maybe I can fit a camera in here to do some FPV, and then hopefully I was kind of hoping that a head tracking system would fit in here. I think that would be awesome because you'll be able to turn all the way around and see behind you from this window here. And so hoping that they have head tracking gimbal systems small enough to fit in this guy. And so looking nice so far. It's army green. This is the military edition of the Cub, the J3 Cub. We have no lights on it. It appears to have no lights. Nope, no lights. We do have a little clear roof there on top of the canopy. I don't think that head tracking gimbals can look upwards, but if they did, that's an awesome situation there. We have the tail wings there, so we're gonna have to mount these on with some screws. I already can tell. There's a 2S battery in there, 650 milliamp hours. Hopefully you guys can see that. And that's it. Oh, we have a package right here. A spare prop is in there. We have a bunch of screws to put this thing together. And we have a charger, USB charging cable there, and one screwdriver. So we have one prop already installed on it. So doesn't look too hard to put together. They have the 2 sockets up here. The 2 cables are taped down so they don't fall in. And we're going to connect the wings to that and then screw it down there. I think there's a little, yeah, there's a little spot where this little piece here catches into the groove right up there up front. I'm not going to be able to do this on camera, but I just wanted to do this unboxing for you guys. All right, y'all, so I got this thing together. Very beautiful looking model. Check it out. I think it's maybe UMX size, the size of the Timber X UMX. Wingman has that bird, and this one looks very close to that size. I think they might be the same size. I did find out something interesting. Really happy about it. The fact that this thing binds to the same protocol as the other FX models, including the DRC SR72. So I can bind it to this transmitter here. Let me show you guys. Plug it in. So there we go, and check it out. So you go up and down, and it's connected. Check it. So it is multi-protocol transmitter compatible, and so I will be flying this thing with the Jumper Pro, the Jumper T Pro. Might even find me flying the SR72 with this thing. So stay tuned. Later I'm going to get this thing in the air, get it out to the field. Thanks for watching.